Alright, this is Southgate Garage coming at you live in the Southland from the Tax and Spend State. Alright, we're going to put a sway bar end link in the van today. Got it in the, ordered from the intro net here, the internet. Get this open here. This is what it looks like. So we're going to put this on the van today. Let's see without the... That's a nice part. We'll put that on the Buick because it comes with desserts. Man, this is nice. This was $15 on the internet. I think they'll sell you a set, both sides, for $30. That's $15 ain't bad. All right, let's get it on. All right, here we got this 07 Buick Teresa. I guess the Uplander and what was the other one? I can't remember what the one from Saturn was. But they're all the same body styles. I'm sure it's the same front end. So take this tire off. I'm going to show you how to put these on. So the pressure switch is out of my air compressor here. It'll be located in here. So we're going to have to do everything the old-fashioned way. And I mean old-fashioned way, we got the old 70s Craftsman here. Look in the, you saw my earlier videos. This is the one they had to replace the wheels on. So let's get this tire off and I'll show you the damages. Alright, so this is what's going on here. When you get in here, I'll show you this here. This is your end link here. If you look, it's supposed to be hooked to there. Bam! But they go out all the time. They get banged up. This one happens to be two-piece. Just a lot easier. Most of the time they come through here. You can see that, huh? They come through here and they're hooked right to the swing arm. This one's just two-piece. So this should be an easy job here. Let me see here. See it? All comes separated. And then it's going to be up here where it's hooked to your shock. So let's get the penetrating oil out here and see if we can get everything loose and place our new piece. This one here came out real easy. So let's get this out. I'm going to have to get a shorter ratchet for that, or shorter extension for that, or socket for that bottom one. I usually use 1/2 inch, but you can use 3/8. It's just a little harder, I guess. I don't know. But I use 1/2 inch for everything, so I just try to stay along with it, but you can use whatever works. Okay, so the problem I'm having here getting this off is, there's a swivel bar in there, or the ball that goes through here. It's actually this piece. So when I try to turn this, the ball and everything is turning. So I look back here, and I think that if I can put one of these on here, I tried putting one on here and then taking a wrench, and then it still won't do it, still won't grab it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and knock this off here with my pickle fork. Try to undo this back here from that ball. Then I grab the ball with this and take it off. Where the heck is my pickle for? Right here. Try to get this on here. And jerk that goddamn bar out there. It's not destroying anything. Turn this sideways. Back this off here. Back the ball right up. Get up. Okay, this is what seems to be working here. There's like a big washer on the other side of this. It must be a part of the swivel piece in there. It swivels. I grabbed it like this and pulled it around. No! The reason I can think of stuff like that is because if you're in a junkyard, you got to think about how would you get it off if you had to go to a junkyard to get this piece. So that's where I learned a lot of this. The stuff the engineers do, you know. So I pull it like that. See, it's coming off now. I don't know if you could use a big impact. You need a small one. There's the piece. There's a new piece and the old piece. Well, part of the old piece. See, this part is broke off. It's right here. Still hooked. We gotta get that out next. Okay, now we're gonna try to take this piece off. Now we're gonna put a lot of pressure on this, so you need to put a jack stand. I'm just gonna put this old tire under here, because I've had them where they came down on me. But that tire should get it from crush us. Okay, we got this loose on the bottom here. Take out my jack stand. What I use is a piece of conduit I found on a construction lot here. I stuck it on here and it's turning, but what I see here, both of them are turning. So we're gonna figure out a way to grab that, get it off. Okay, so now we'll get it off there. Now let's put the new one on. We got a visit from our detailer here, Eric. Hey, hi, Eric. Get your zerts here. You got to put them in these ends here. So sometimes they don't come with zerts. Make sure they do. They last a lot longer with these zerts in here. See, these called those zerts. It'll be in this little bag you get with it. Put them in there. Okay, so we're gonna take a jack and lift this up so we can get this in here where it'll fit. See, it's just a little off. So pick this up, it'll fit in there. I want to show you this here. whatever she hit with this, it took out the ABS unit here. I think it goes fits up here. I have no idea how to fix this, so we'll figure it out. Got the ABS light on, so conduit can do it. Alright, we got her in. Looks like all buttoned up. Over here, we'll replace the screws here. They were just bolted in with these. They're falling out. Next on the list will be the fuel pump. And we gotta figure out how to fix this ABS unit here. So, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Southgate Garage. I gotta get a picture of that right there. This vehicle may be stopped by any authorized law enforcement officer between 1 and 5, huh?
Oh, that's because my aunt was legally blind.
Oh, really? Is that what
Yeah,
that's from?
that's what that's from. Yeah, but she
So
was legally blind, but she could pass all the tests and everything because she was smart enough to pass them, and she knew the answers to the tests. And
So
she knew the timing down for the little eye glaucoma test thing. So she knew the timing down for the glaucoma test that they used to do. So she knew exactly when to push the button and everything. She'd pass all the tests. They'd be like, you know, you're legally blind, so we actually have to put that on your vehicle to be able to let you drive.
I wonder why they picked 1 a.m.
Well, because if it's between 1 a.m. and 5 a.m.
That's the darkest time of the night,
yeah,
or what?
it's when she would not be able to see at all.
Oh, so
I don't know.
At midnight,
well, she had glaucoma and she was legally blind, so it's kind of like if you're driving at this time of night, you ain't gonna be able to fucking see. So.
Right, but I would think at 11, 12 o'clock at night would be any darker than
I don't know.
or any lighter than 1, right? I do believe 6 would be lighter than 5.
Yeah.
But I would think that maybe that's just some kind of
yeah, I don't know, but
state of Illinois.
The thing even says 1994 on it when it was issued.
That's cool. That's cool.
That's
I like them old stickers like that.
So.